This is the Weather Xtreme video for Friday morning, the 14th of September. I'm James Spann. Weekend is right on us here, and we'll start things off with a warm and dry day tomorrow, but we're going to get wet early next week, maybe late in the weekend. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network early this morning at the somewhat insane hour of 5 a.m. Look at the Children's Hospital of Alabama is seen from our Skycam on top of the Daniel building. It's clear and pleasant. There's the Haleyville Skycam up in Winston County, and look at downtown Fayette on a quiet September morning. All right, we've got an upper feature over West Texas, and that's producing a lot of rain out there in the Texas Hill Country. In fact, there's a look at the radar early this morning, raining up and down that I-35 corridor, and that's some good rain they could really use out there. Got a stall front north and west of the state. That will really not affect us. We're going to wait until that really good front moves in here Tuesday night of next week before we cool down, and it will cool down a good bit toward the end of next week. Looks great. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. Rain amounts about 1 inch here. Heavier totals to the east and west, and I think that sounds about right. I think we could get 1 inch Sunday night, Monday, and Tuesday. Tropics, we've got Nadine, the still tropical storm. This thing is not strengthened as expected. Hurricane Center curves it back to the east, ultimately reaching hurricane strength maybe by early next week. And if anybody's going to be bothered by this thing, it'll be the Azores by the end of next week. And, ooh, boy, that's a nasty-looking super typhoon, Sanba. In the Pacific, that could be affecting Korea in a big way. South Korea next week. Probably not as strong at that point, but still a formidable hurricane, for a typhoon for sure, as they call them over there. Let's check the modeling. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Shortwave way up north. You can see the energy hanging back over Texas, and down below that, no real change in the weather today. Sunny with mid-80s. And, you know, the models have been way too warm lately, maybe low 80s. Tomorrow, nice day to start the weekend. Will be dry, mostly sunny. And, again, the models are running it into the upper 80s. I think that's too warm. Mid-80s, more reasonable. And again, for the football fans, the in-state games, including the Auburn game, will be fine. Some rain could be an issue for the Alabama game up in Fayetteville, Arkansas, as you can see. Sunday, the GFS is clearly trending drier during the day, and I get the idea the day will be dry. If showers move in here, it would be very late in the day or Sunday night. And again, we'll be in the 80s. And Monday, you can see the energy coming in from the west, and that will be phasing up with that northern branch. And down below that, that looks pretty wet. Rain and thunderstorms likely Monday. Temperatures will hold in the 70s, maybe up to 1 inch of rain. No severe weather, by the way, if that's right. And then Tuesday, yep, you bet your buddy, it's a phased trough up and down the eastern part of the United States. And down below that, still maybe a shower with a cold front coming in, but it looks like the deeper moisture is on by at that point. And here comes Wednesday. We'll get into that nice, cool, refreshing air. There's a look at the temperature plot coming off the models. And again, you can see that really we've got one run of the GFS hinted we might be in the 40s Wednesday morning. I don't think we'll do that, but I do think we will be in the 40s Thursday morning. Potentially getting down there toward the mid-40s, although other runs have not been that cold. But again, remember the model has shown a very clear warm bias all year. So I think 40 is a very real possibility Thursday morning of next week for the first time this season. That's exciting for the fall fans. Thursday should be a gorgeous day, and Friday looks dry. That's a week from today, the 21st. We do note a cold front north and west of here. We'll check the end of the forecast, September 29th. And we've seen a lot of looks out here. We've seen very cool looks. This one not as cool as others, with a front just north of here and some cool air trying to push down the pike. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the television side or the live stream at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.